Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing Perplexity AI, the AI-powered search tool that's becoming a favorite for quick, accurate answers. Let's see if it's really better than traditional search engines. What it is. Perplexity AI is an AI-driven search engine and chatbot designed to give you direct, well-sourced answers to your questions. Instead of showing you a list of links, it summarizes the information for you and cites its sources so you can verify them. How it works. You simply type or speak your question, and Perplexity scans the web in real time to find the most relevant, trustworthy information. It then delivers an easy-to-read summary along with clickable sources. It can handle follow-up questions in the same conversation, making it feel more like talking to a knowledgeable assistant than doing a standard web search. You can also use it for things like research, writing drafts, generating ideas, or comparing products. Who it's for. It's perfect for students, professionals, content creators, and anyone who wants fast, reliable answers without digging through multiple websites. What people are saying. Positive feedback. Users love its speed, accuracy, and the fact that it shows sources for every answer. Negative feedback. Some say it occasionally gives outdated or incorrect details, especially on niche or breaking topics. Red flags. Perplexity itself isn't a scam, but as with all AI tools, you should double-check important facts before using them professionally. Pros. Clear, concise answers with cited sources, free to use with a pro plan for extra features, great for research, brainstorming, and learning, handles follow-up questions naturally. Cons. Can give inaccurate info if sources are flawed, limited customization compared to some AI tools, Pro version costs extra. So here's my take. If you want an AI tool that saves time and gives reliable answers with sources, Perplexity AI is definitely worth using. Just remember to fact-check before relying on it for critical work. So that's it, guys. Let me know your thoughts on Perplexity AI in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews.